Podio brings almost everything to your business. Managing customer relationships, ending the juggle between multiple spreadsheets and apps. But with Podio integration in KrispCall, that almost changes to just everything. Seamless auto-call logging, click-to-call and SMS, and syncing recordings, contacts and notes too. Here's how to integrate KrispCall and set up VoIP inside Podio CRM in quick and easy steps. Before the integration process in KrispCall, Podio needs to be prepared by adding a contact app. So, start by logging into Podio, click Add App, then on Create Your Own App, and create KrispCall Contact as the contact app. Now log in to your KrispCall account, go to Settings, then to Integrations, search for Podio, and click Connect. The page redirects to Podio. Simply grant access here, then back on KrispCall, select KrispCall as the organization, KrispCall Workspace as Workspace, KrispCall Contact as Contact App ID, and click on Integrate Now. After the integration is successful, configure settings to customize sync options. In General Settings, enable or disable contacts and notes sync preferences. Then set up the workflow settings to choose specific log activities to sync for calls, SMS, and voicemails. Next, in Connected Numbers, add one or multiple numbers to be used in calls and SMS for Podio. Now start by importing your contacts into KrispCall. Once done, head over to your Podio account. The contacts are already synced in the KrispCall Contacts app you created during the integration setup. With two-way sync enabled, any changes made to contacts in Podio will automatically sync back to KrispCall. After the integration, another KrispCall app is created in Podio, where all call and SMS activities are stored. Ready to dial your customers? Just install the KrispCall Dialer extension on your browser, then click on the KrispCall icon beside the number, and as the dialer opens, simply dial and start building better relationships with your customers. Need to send SMS? After clicking the KrispCall icon, simply choose SMS, then in the dialer, type your message and send. Every conversation, call logs, recordings, and notes made during calls are auto-stored inside the KrispCall app. Even the missed calls do not affect customer relationships now, with voicemail activated, recordings synced directly in Podio, giving businesses full context to follow up immediately. With Podio integrated in KrispCall, businesses stay on top of every customer interaction, reducing the extra effort that teams put into achieving better customer relationships they strive for. Visit KrispCall.com and connect Podio integration today.